I have been a veterinarian now for 16 years, a little bit more. I love working and helping customers on JustAnswer because we're able to offer really quick, timely advice and support, and that can often change the outcome for many of these pets and their owners. And we're often able to go into much more detail with our answers and addressing their concerns and take the time to make sure that their concerns have been addressed and that they truly understand the answer to our questions. I get many questions about really complicated diseases and interactions between multiple issues in patients. I think a lot of times clients are not able to go into that level of depth when they're at their veterinarian, so they have questions later that we need to talk about. Many intoxication or accidental ingestion questions come in, especially around the holidays, so be careful so we don't get too many this Thanksgiving and Christmas. And a lot of questions about accessing urgent and emergency care as well after hours. The most memorable and heartwarming story I can think of with a client was she had a much older dog that had multiple health issues, really complex issues interacting, and she had a lot of questions about the current treatments of the patient, how the importance of those things, what they were each doing, which I think really reassured them and helped them to feel confident in the effort and time they were putting into her care. And then the last thing we discussed quite a bit was possible quality of life considerations down the road. This patient was getting much older, things were progressing, and they wanted to have some really clear-cut ideas of when to have concerns about how she was feeling and how she was doing. By the time we were done, I think talking, that customer felt so much more confident and assured in their decision-making in the future, and it felt really great to be there for them.